Hi guys, in this video we will see review and demo of Everyuth body lotion. So this one is 500 ml pack and the MRP is 500 rupees, but we get this one for rupees 192 from Amazon. Yes, 62% discount, and the shelf life of the product is 1 year. This body lotion is available in 4 variants to address different skin concerns, and it comes in white plastic packaging with minimal design, and there is this arrow given to open for the first time. Rotate anti-clockwise to open, and the pack says that this body lotion contains cocoa butter, natural almond milk, and the entire list is given here. Yes, it is paraben free lotion. So it has firm white lotion, consistency is medium, and it's very smooth, spread with utter ease. For a moment you will feel that it is greasy, but the lotion absorbs fast and gives absolutely non-greasy feel. It spreads and absorbs well. I love the hydration. Well, it has subtle cocoa fragrance, chocolatey fragrance. Some people may find it weird. Beginning, I also didn't like it. Now I'm used to. So the negative is for summer it would be greasy. It's not a great product for summer. This would be good for the rest of the months, leaving those June and July. So I use it regularly after a bath and apply it firmly all over the body. It really helps to keep the skin hydrated all day long. Just use it in the morning and you are done for the day. It does not make the skin oily at all. It is good for all skin types. Overall, an excellent product with good hydration properties and very affordable. 500 ml for just 192 rupees. It's a great deal. Give it a try and subscribe for more. Bye bye.